Hey there, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're gonna be walking around a 1967 Mustang. This one here has a 289 under the hood. Seems to be a good little running car here. We're gonna be doing a test drive right after this walk around video. This video here, point out any kind of chips, scratches, flaws, imperfections that I can find. I'll give you some undercarriage shots. We'll check out the trunk and the interior. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every day. I've also got a bunch of social media you can jump on. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We're gonna get started here. Start up here in the front. And hope y'all enjoy this video. We're gonna be picking out the flaws. Front bumper on this one actually looks like it's been replaced. It's nice and clean. Not really any imperfections that I can see. The front end is nice and clean too, especially around the headlights. Same with the grill. The grill does have some flaking going on top. Beautiful blue paint job. Does have a little chip here on the fender. Looking down the side of the car. Check it out really good. Looks pretty straight. I don't see any waves. There's a little chip behind the bumper there. Some wax left over. Good tires, American racing wheels. Another little chip here on the fender. Antennas broke off. Emblems look pretty good. There's a spot in the door here. Coming on a little bubble in the trim. Mirrors look good other than the little screws. And the seals around the vent window are in great shape. Keep on working our way down the side and then we'll come down over the top of the car. There's some bubbles back there in that fender. We're gonna make it there in a second. There's a chip where you can get in and out of the car. Somebody probably chipped it. Let me get my shadow out of this. See them bubbles popping up? This is the passenger rear, right in front of the rear tire. Got some rust bubbles popping through. Looks like a little dent right here and here. All right. Making sure I didn't miss anything. Checking everything out here. Real close for y'all. Dual exhaust out the back. Rear bumper's nice and clean. Emblems look good. Tail lights look great. Even the little reverse lights are in good shape. Same thing though. Little screws rusting out and spreading. This side's not, but the trunk lid sitting a little high on this one. I will be getting the keys in just a second and opening that up. Right there on the back window, looks like the paint has chipped. It started rusting. Well, the water got up underneath it. This side looks pretty straight as well. There's a dent in the door. I'm going to show y'all when we get up there towards the front. Your door handle here has some pitting popping up on the chrome. Some bubbles back here behind the rear tire. Or in front of it. Same thing on the bottom here. A couple chips, people getting in and out, kicking the trim. Right here in the middle of the door is that dent. There's actually a chip on it too. And some rust popping through on the corner, common areas for that to happen. Same thing with the mirrors over here. Good deal, we made it around the car. Guys, I do have close to 100 detailed pictures on my website. Couple little chips up under here. All right, let me grab the keys and we'll pop the trunk. Interior looks pretty good on this one. Whoa, our trunk flew up. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the back. Got some extra wax getting caught up in the jam there. Little rust popping up in the corner here. Let's check our package tray. Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Little surface rust popping up on the gas tank. Most of it's looking pretty good. Is that the other end of our antenna? It is. Good deal. Now that I made a mess in the trunk, shut it firmly to get it to latch. Coming up on the door panel here, looks pretty good. Not in bad shape at all, but like I said, there's some scratches, people kicking the door open. Weather stripping, nice and soft, feels new. Bottom of the door. Go ahead, something we like to do on this channel. You think the horn works on this one? You can place your bets at home, or you sitting on the couch, or wherever you're watching this. Package tray looks pretty good. Headliner is in great shape. I like the console edition. That's a nice one too. Not bolted, so you could take it out. Well, maybe it is. It's just a little loose. Probably got one screw in the back here somewhere. We do have the faceplate to the radio. It is showing 13,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind mileage from anything in the 60s, 70s, late 80s possible. She's still cold. All I did was start it about an hour ago and bag it up over here. Been working on building some other videos for y'all. There we go. Let's try these wipers out. They do work. You got to stop them where you want them though. Blower motor working. AC, no, it's not gonna work. Well, blower motor works. Horn, y'all ready? Nope. No horn. As hard as I want to try, I can't get it to do it. Motor sounds pretty responsive. Let's get out of here. See how easy the door shuts. Ooh, gotta put some grease up in here. See where it's popping. Right there on that hinge. I'll get some grease. Does shut and line up pretty good. Motor's nice and quiet. It looks clean under here. It's got some covert valve covers. which I think they look good. They look better than what came on it. All right, shutting down the hood. It's very easy, just barely pushing down on it, and it latched. Up here in the corner, there's a chip and a crack. Let's check that other side. I bet you it matches. Up here in this corner, same thing. Little chip on the hood. Yep, it looks like they chipped some of the paint off putting the hood on. All right, guys, I do have close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, inside, out, and underneath. Just checking over the flaws again. But we're gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look up under the front here and let you see all the way around the car. Let's check it out. I do appreciate y'all watching. Get ready to take this one on a test drive. I've got about 5 cars I need to do today, so I'm gonna try to keep it on a roll and get all of them out there to you. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Like I said in the beginning, we've got all kinds of social media aspects such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. So please join us on all of that. TikTok's fairly new for us, so something fun to play around with. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do this test drive thing. Be looking for the video at the very end of this, and if you like the music at the beginning, I make all of it. Top right-hand corner, or at the very end, bottom right-hand corner. It's about that time. Let's get it, guys.